Hello everyone, my name is Carol and welcome aboard to Knitting on the Hook. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use partial knitting for shaping using one or multiple needles at a time. So let's get to it. For this sample, I'm going to place one needle into E position at a time, which will create a very steep angle. Down here, you can see the angle that is created by having these needles into E position. Remember to bring up your claw weight as you knit. When partial knitting with more than one needle, the carriage has to be placed on the opposite sides of the needles that are in E position. For this sample, I'm going to bring out 3 needles, which should create a more gentle slope. To prevent the formation of a hole between the needle in B position and E position, we're going to place the yarn underneath the needle in E position. And as the carriage passes over, it will create a little wrap around the needle in E position. And there you have the wrap around the needle. Bring 3 needles out. Wrap the yarn underneath the needle to prevent the formation of a hole. Bring out 3 needles. Here you can see our 3 wraps. By placing your lever back into end position, you can now knit all your needles. This is the first sample where I brought out one needle at a time into E position, and it has a very dramatic slope. This one is where I brought out 3 needles at a time, and the slope is a lot more gentle. As you've seen from the samples, I was able to shape the edge of the knitting without decreasing any stitches. And if you would like to know more about partial knitting and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the red button in the corner of the screen. It's going to take you straight to it where you can browse around. Thank you for watching Knitting on the Hook. Bye for now.